Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 18 of the unboxing of the advent calendars. I'm going to get straight into it today and we're going to go straight into the Airwick calendar, which is right here. And number 18, it should be getting easier, you guys, to find these now, and it's not. I have found it though. So let's see what we are getting today. Oh, no, that was 16. I thought, I was like, there's nothing in here. But that was 16 and it was already open. What is my life? Just spat everywhere then, that was attractive. Way to go, Sam. We have got the Winter Wonderland candle. I feel like we've had this one more than any of the other ones. I do think that. But it's fine, it does smell nice. It's probably my least favourite one though. Let's go into the calendar that I made myself. And today is the day. Oh, I'm seeing another glitter. I won't yabber on about this because you've seen quite a few of these. This is a nice one. This is like a holographic-y one. And it's Unicorn Tears is what it's called. You can't really see. Like, you really don't get... Like, you can't see. It's like an iridescent, actually. An iridescent holographic-iness. That's nice. And that is going to look nice with a lot of different looks. Let's have a look in the Sleep calendar. Oh, number 18. It's a thin one. What could it be? Ooh, 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 I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling excited. I keep spitting everywhere today. What's going on? Apparently I think I'm hilarious. Wow, this is a twist up lip pencil in Currant 651. I've got stuff all over my hands from like previous swatches. But let's give it a little swatch. Ooh, just there. That would go so well with that lipstick as well. Ah, I love it. Very excited. Very excited, everybody. Cheers! So, and Glory calendar. Here she is. Wow, literally looked straight at day 18. I love it when that happens. It does make my life a bit easier. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, somebody's excited and it might be me. So, oh no, what the flipping heck. I nearly swore then. God! Oh no, I need to put this on. I could actually put this on. So this is Pink Stardust. It's another sexy mother pucker. We must have got like 5 of these so far. I'm so happy because I really wanted to try these. But, can you see this one? Guys, seriously, it's literally like a pink metallic with a gold shift. It's called Pink Stardust. It might need to go on the top of another one. I'm not going to do it. I'm just not going to do it. I think it did look, when I took it out, it did look a bit more see-through than as opaque as it looks here. But say if you had like a red on and put that on, oh my god. Oh, I cannot wait to try that out. I'm so glad that we've got quite a few of these sexy mother puckers. And if I do like them, I'll definitely like go on and buy more. Never had them before, so... Very excited. Let's go into Elle and let's see what she has in store for us today. Number 18. Number 18. Ooh, oh! Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes, I'm excited about this one. I've been wanting to try this out. We have got a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Yeah, we do. It's not a bad size either. It's definitely, I don't think, like a regular full size. It's 12mm. But primers are, like, it's not tiny. Where's my other primer that I've just used today? So this is the one that I've been using a lot lately. Oh, this is 30mm, so I guess it is only like half. But it's not a bad size. I reckon you get a really good few uses out of this. I've been wanting to try out some new primers. I really want to try the Too Faced one. Can't even think what it's called now. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out because I've not tried it yet. So yes, excited about that. That's definitely a good one. Let's go into the Glossy Box one. Number 18 is right here. What are we saying for number 18? Oh, it's only a little one. And it is a Lollipops. No idea what this is. Fluid Glowy. It's another one that's just all different languages. Face liquid highlighter? Shut up. Shall we? We could do, couldn't we? Just a right little bit. Oh my god! Can you see that? I know that there's like so many lights on me right now, but... I just feel like then when I've done that, it's just gone. I feel like that might actually be nice on your eyes, like just in the centre of the eye. Like with this look, with the gold, just on the centre of your eye or something like that. But yeah, so it's just a cute little liquid highlighter from Lollipops Paris. Let's have a look and see what's in the Body Shop calendar. Number 18. We only had to open one door. Oh my god. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I have a big version of this. I guess that means that I could maybe like gift this to someone. Maybe someone might get this as a gift, or I might keep it because I do really like them. But I have got, I'm sure this is the one I've got. It's the Shea Body Butter basically. It's like a mini version of the Shea Body Butter, and I'm sure I've got like one of the big tubs of the Shea that I'm actually using at the moment. I'm trying to get that used up. Along with my Japanese Camellia. I love it, Japanese Camellia, oh my god, so nice. But yeah, it is just a Shea Body Butter and it's very nice, it smells very, very nice. Let's move on to Look Fantastic, and it's the final one of the day. And we have got, this is looking familiar, it's the Ultra Repair Cream for sensitive skin. I'm sure this smells really nice, it is sealed. I'm pretty sure I've got a mini version of this that I got in either a calendar or one of my subscription boxes or something like that. But I definitely recognise this packaging. Is it a hand cream? It's for dry parched skin, so I don't think it's a hand cream. Fab First Aid Beauty. Apply as needed from head to toe. You would not put it on your face, would you? Anyway, yeah, exciting. Right, so that is it for today's calendar, you guys. There are some really good things. This is probably my favourite thing. I'm so excited to try that out. So thank you for watching this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do feel free always to leave me any kind of comments down below. I'm hopefully going to be commenting back every day. Throughout Vlogmas, I should have been commenting back to all your comments. So I hope you have been commenting. I know we're on like day 18 now, it's insane. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!